It has been pouring here in western North Carolina all day long, but I got some sunshine in my life right here in this box. Red Rock Pastel Society of Nevada has their member show up right now, 2022, and we were encouraged to look at all the paintings in the show and to choose our favorites and say why they were our favorites. So I did that. I thought that was a great idea. I had fun with it, but there was also a challenge so that we could get our names into a drawing for some pastels from Dakota. I was so excited. So I really wanted this and I wanted to try. Sorry if I inundated the page with some of my posts, but all the posts that people put up were just absolutely wonderful. Anyway, I won the drawing at the award ceremony at the show online. And I was so excited, because I need some pastels. I'm heading to IAPS and I need some pastels. Here they are. I started to open the box before I realized what they are. And so I stopped because I want to be excited with you. I probably don't have any scissors. I need scissors. So I'm opening this up. I did already kind of start. I can toss this away. But they wrapped them very well from Dakota. What I did is I went online and I could choose with the money that I had allotted to me which pastels I wanted. So I took some time doing that. I got a variety of pastels because I wanted to try. Now, if you're wondering, I have my gray mat here because I want it to show off nicely on a nice neutral background. Once a teacher, always a teacher. And I have a pure white and a pure black here to help my camera find the right color balance. I'm sure these are just in boxes, so I have no idea what I'm getting here. Oh, look at that. Elizabeth Townsend. I'm surprising myself. This is a very light gray. Got a nice little box here. Here's a beautiful Giraud. You can see it's just a slight light green. I needed some good lights. I'm so excited. And I'll open this one. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I have this turquoise or teal, whatever you want to call it, in the deep color. I wanted the tints of that, and that's what I got. Here's my list. I'll go through it by detail after. Oh, I've been waiting for some of these. I'm so happy that I won. Thank you, Red Rock, so much. It's a wonderful group to be. Oh, look at these. What a wonderful group to be a member of. Here's a Townsend. Look at that sandy, nice color. I'm going to need that out in Albuquerque. Here's a nice Diane Townsend kind of sky blue. It was a middle tone that I was missing in my box. And this, oh my gosh, look at that one. That is just absolutely beautiful. Again, one of my middle tones. I needed light tones, I needed middle tones in my collection, so I'd be ready to paint. Got it upside down. Woohoo! Oh, I have had a Scarlet or a Carmine or something, and it has been so soft. I am down to the tiniest little nib. And I got this, and I'm going to compare it. I hope that's the one I'm looking for. This is a Schminke Scarlet. Otherwise, if it's not here, I'm going to have to find it at IAPS. This is a beautiful gray-green. Look at that color. And Schminke. Feels like butter. And here is a very light purple. Purple-blue. Kind of always looking, where is my purple blue? I'm always looking for a purple blue. So that should do it. I am covered here now. Beautiful colors. Look at these. So I have the Blue Earth Turquoise tint. I think this would be the 6, and here would be my 7. The Blue Earth Yellow tint. I have a Diane Townsend putty, obviously, like that right there. Or is this the putty? This is the putty. I am so sorry. I have the suede. I have a fluorescent blue. I have a fluorescent violet red. I have a Giraud green earth right there. I want to see how that goes with that. Oh, look at those two. They are made for each other. The Giraud green earth, the Schminke scarlet that I talked about, the ultramarine deep here, and a cold green, which is this one right here. I don't know. Go ahead. I'm going to zoom in. You're going to drool. It's my candy experience. I am so happy. Thank you, Red Rock. Thank you for having this little drawing that I got to win. So happy. Everyone, keep trying these things. When they're put up there, when Dasha puts those challenges up, go for them, because look, you could have this or something like this, your choice of colors. So exciting. Now I get to paint. I'm so excited. Let's look at this red. I want to see this red. I just want to touch it. It is buttery soft. Okay, they're open. Let's try them out. I just want to try them on some nice, softly, lightly sanded paper. Where to start? Okay, Blue Earth Turquoise 6. That's this one right here. I'm going to start with this. Just a nice... Oh my gosh. I don't want to use it up. Look how soft that is. That is amazing. Here is the 7. It's a little uneven yet. That's okay. No, actually that might be the paper. Here is the light yellow Blue Earth. Oh my goodness. Just smooth. I'm going to have to blend this and use this as a underpainting. Now we're going to the putty, Diane Townsend putty. You can even just feel the grip. Between the Blue Earth and the Diane Townsend, you can feel the grip on your hands. So let's see. Oh, you can hear it. It's going to give you some nice textures. Here is the suede. That was putty. This is suede. Look at that. That's going to go with that baby right there. I knew it. Let me see how these blend. Nice. Let's try this one. Okay. I'm going to have so much fun. Sorry, I've got the suede on my hand. Now the fluorescent blue. This is not quite as fluorescent as I thought it was going to be. I was looking like for brilliant fluorescent, but this is going to be great. So I'm going to go buy some fluorescent ones when I get a chance, just for those final accents. But this is beautiful. Look at that. That's going to make me happy. And this one is the violet red. I'm going to take this finger blend. Nice. Let's try this one. Yeah, beautiful. See how they layer perfectly. Perfectly. Look at that. It vibrates for me. I have a slight astigmatism, and that vibrates. The next is the Giraud. Some people call it Girault, but it's Giraud because it's French. A-U-L-T goes O. This is the green earth. I mean, it's just a nice neutral. Oh, that's going to be nice. It has potential of going kind of hard, soft, whatever you want it to do. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to skip over to this cold green, the Schminke cold green. Let's see how that, I'm going to try that flat spot that was natural. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Here is the ultramarine deep, but it's a tint of it. Again, the Schminke, just look at that. You just touch them. See how that blended so quickly? And here I am on the Blue Earth, which blends nicely, but it allows some of the paper texture to still come through. This just covers like a big stick of butter. And then the scarlet. Here comes that scarlet. I need to get the papers off these because these are, yeah, papers are going to drive me crazy. I'll just take the whole thing off and store it. I don't always look for the exact pastel when I need a new one. I often look for an approximate. Here we go. Oh, I don't have my little dish. I have a dish that catches all of my powder, so wow. Look at that baby. Look at that. Now this is the color I was looking for. This was my little nib that I was going to take to IAPS to find a replacement for, but I think I pretty much found it right here. Look at that. I want to do another fresh stroke. To my eye, it's a hint deeper, but it's very close. And that's a finishing thing for flowers, or just that final little touch that you want to make a painting sing, that little accent piece. There we are. Oh, all right, I wanted to share that with you. Get out there, try some new pastels, but use the ones that you have. Remember, you can have a million pastels, and gosh, you're not going to use those in your lifetime. Use the ones that you have. Try to blend them, layer them one over another. Let's see what happens with this. Like if I put some of this down, and then I bring some of that green over, and back again maybe. You can blend pastels to make wonderful colors. You can blend complements. Let's try this purple and this green. It sings, it's a nice neutral at this point, but because the tiny little microscopic particles of pigment are showing through, it sings more than a flat neutral. It is a singing neutral. I love it. I love it. If you want to learn more about my colors, come to TravelingArtista.com. Check out my workshops or just ask me for one. I am willing to teach. Je parle français, hablo español. I can do whatever. And I love teaching. I've done it for 40 years plus, so contact me and have fun.